Where
Oh, there you go.
explain to me how to do that.
You put in your email address in your phone.
But I have to have that capability on this phone. And I don't know that I have
Can't
that
she
turned
take it
on.
off of the earphone jack with a USB connection and then just dump it into a sound file on her computer?
Yeah, you can do that. Yeah, you can. It's kind of a complicated way.
See, yes, it sounded complicated to me.
Yeah, I know, but it can be done, though. Right?
Your phone doesn't have the internet capability?
Computer, yeah.
No.
Huh?
Let me take one of you.
Oh, me? Okay, thank you.
But my
Thanks,
friend
Bill.
has seven.
Well, it should pick up
It should take it
a device as a removable device, and you should be able to pack it off and just drag it and drop it.
Hello, everybody.
Small little way it sounds complicated, or you can hold it up to the microphone on the computer and record it.
I know.
Play it.
Yeah, that might be.
We just make it easier.
You know who's going to go in this? Who's your service provider? Go to their store and ask them.
Verizon. I've asked them.
They won't do it?
You have Bluetooth on it?
I don't know. See if you go to.
You got Bluetooth, and you got something that can receive Bluetooth. A lot of computers.
USB connection will work really easy too. It'll just pick it up.
Hey, how do you stop this?
What do I do?
Stop it. Why stop now?
Well, I was going to speed it up and take it.
Oh,
So I can shoot better.
that's all right. Just let it run.
You're going to add it?
Yeah.
More what you sent.
Yeah.
But I really don't like this at all.
Windows 7 works pretty good. I keep it, I have 2x speed on Windows 7.
I think if I ever buy another computer, I'll get it. You do.
They're indicated reasons.
You have the air now.
$500-600.
Yeah, there.
And they're, for the most part,
Now they've got so many options.
oh no, yeah.
They're loaded. They got everything. Built-in cameras, Blu-ray. I just bought a laptop. What'd you get a computer? Oh, eight. Yeah, I actually went in to buy a new iMac, and I have a small Acer laptop to order.
Dan will get in here at some point in time.
Vacillated for 2 hours. Finally, this Monday morning, 8 gauge, 1 terabyte.
Monday morning rush with your after I don't know how many years.
The last one he had, this thing came in the building.
Oh yeah,
They gave me a deal.
computer hardware is like motorcycles.
Fried?
No.
That's fine.
Nope.
Keep trying it.
Geez, right in Westmont there on Ogden Avenue. Micro Center. Yeah, they're really nice people. They're very knowledgeable, and it's about a low profile, low pressure as you could ever imagine. Like you almost have to finally
I've never used it.
give you all the info, all the feed you want.
Send it to your
And,
email.
oh, yeah, it was a good deal.
Video, audio.
And the guy wheeled and dealed because I was looking. They won't on any Apple product. They can't. They got $50 off.
They can't fix the prices, but they do. Microsoft does the same thing.
Not a file.
Lowest price, nice price to sell it for. Otherwise, they don't get the
So what I was thinking, I need to hold this next to some kind of microphone,
Oh yeah, that can.
and that might work the best. It might not be the best audio, but it's,
Yeah, but we should have it.
you know.
Just put it right up against the ear piece.